Students, in this class we will discuss context-free grammar. Module 3, context-free grammar. Context-free grammar. Right. So we have studied different types of grammar, and you know type 2 is context-free grammar. Type 2 grammar, or it is known as context-free grammar, and the corresponding language is context-free language, which is accepted by your push-down automata. Right? So in third module, we will be learning about context-free grammar and the push-down automata. And you know the definition of grammar. Grammar is G is equal to VTPS. G is equal to VTPS. You will be having set of variables, or it is known as non-terminals. So variables or non-terminals, it's your capital letters, uppercase letters. And terminal is your lowercase letter, and your identifier, digits, symbols, operator, everything comes under terminal. And production, it is the set of rules. And the last S stands for the start symbol. Right? And we have studied already the form of context-free grammar. It will be in this form. A tends to alpha. Right? This A stands for non-terminal. Non-terminal. What is the other name for non-terminal? It is variable. Right? And alpha is union of variables and terminal for any number of times. Right? So in context-free grammar, your LHS of your production, it should have a single non-terminal. But in RHS, I can have epsilon, or I can have a combination, a string with a combination of variables and terminals. Right? I can have a combination of variables and terminals at the RHS, or I can have epsilon. But in LHS, I should have only a single non-terminal. Right? And see, next we'll see what is derivation. Right? So what is derivation? Obtaining string of terminals, and right, my string, it can have only terminals, or it can have terminals and non-terminals from start symbol by applying some set of productions. Right? I should start with my start symbol, right? And I should apply some productions so that at the end I get a set of terminals. So in between steps, if you check your string, it can have a combination of terminals and non-terminals. It can have combination of terminals and non-terminals. But at the end, I should get only terminals. That is derivation. So what is derivation? Process of obtaining string of terminals and or non-terminals from the start symbol by applying some set of productions. I have two types of derivation: leftmost derivation and rightmost derivation. Leftmost derivation and rightmost derivation. Right? What is leftmost derivation? Replacing, every time I should replace the leftmost non-terminal. Every time I should replace the leftmost non-terminal in leftmost derivation. Right? In rightmost derivation, what will I do? In rightmost derivation, I replace the rightmost non-terminal. That is your leftmost derivation and rightmost derivation. Right? We can see some examples.